Here I've got Motorola One Vision, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app, and here you will notice timer icon, so just click here and select the option 3 or 10 seconds, whichever you prefer, and as you can see now, if you click here, the picture will be taken after the countdown. So here we've got 10 seconds delay, just give it the time, and as you can see, the picture has been grabbed after the time. And then you can switch it off smoothly by tapping timer off, and now, as you can see, picture is grabbed right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. So you can activate and use camera timer in your device in your Motorola One Vision. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.